Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Today, I have 2 easy Christmas DIYs for you. Today's DIY was inspired by this picture that I found on Hobby Lobby's online website. I really liked the piece, so I decided to recreate it for less, using cheaper products and allow me to provide a high-end look. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uneatly Tae. I do DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like what you see today, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will always know when I upload a new video. It took 2 coats of paint to get full coverage for my vase. My paint of choice was Apple Barrel Antique Parchment. My vase is finally dried. Now we can move on to decorating the outside of the vase.
Fast away the old year passes. La 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 la. How the new year lads and lasses. La 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 la. Sing rejoice all together. La 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather. La 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la
All right, let's start on DIY number 2. I'm pretty much just using a gift bag from Walmart and a picture frame from Dollar Tree. I love using gift bags for wall decor and wall art. So pretty much what I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave my gift bag as is. And sometimes, depending on how big the frame is, I will cut down the gift bag itself. But the frame fit this particular gift bag so well, I didn't have to do any type of cutting. If you like to cut your gift bag, you can do so on your project. But for this project, I think it's just fine leaving it whole just like it is. Here is the finished product. It looks so good. I love how warm and inviting it looks. You would definitely be seeing all this decor this holiday season in my home. I know you noticed that I changed the color of my holly berries. Only thing I did was apply Mod Podge and added red fine glitter, 2 coats of Mod Podge, and pretty much that's all I did. And I love the outcome. It looks so good. All right, everyone, it is time for some Happy Meal. I just recently won a giveaway from my girl K Mo. She did a giveaway a few weeks ago, and she sent me the cutest bracelet. I love bracelets, and that was so sweet of her. The bracelet said that she believed she could, so she did. I'm paraphrasing pretty much what was up there, but it's very inspirational and it is so nice. I love it, and I just love watching her channel. Anyone that's not friends with my girl K Mo, make sure you go and check her channel out. She does grocery hauls, she does shopping videos, family vlogs, cooking videos, cleaning. She does it all, and I will also have her link down in my description box. It looks so good. So her little note said, "Thank you for entering the giveaway. I appreciate you, and thank you for sharing your awesome creations with us. From the real K Mo." Thank you so much.
la.